Bioretention Area. Our project is stormwater management. Stormwater is the water that runs down the street when it is not raining. Stormwater enters holes in the gutter called stormwater system inlets. Water that flows down the street when it is not raining, like when you wash your car or water your lawn, is called urban runoff. After stormwater and urban runoff flow into the storm drain, they travel to the nearest creek, river, or lake so our streets don't flood. That means any pollutant on the street or an urban runoff gets carried into our creeks, rivers, and lakes.
I'm Tyler Knudsen. I work for the Yellow Medicine Soil and Water Conservation District, and what we do is a lot of projects that have to do with soil and water quality all around Yellow Medicine County. And one of those things is designing and sometimes building bioretention structures or basins. Around Granite Falls and throughout Yellow Medicine County, a lot of the stormwater systems are pretty basic, where the water just runs into the drain off the street, goes down and winds up in a river or creek. Some places with big parking lots put these things in to hold the water back so it doesn't flood a nearby road, or it slows the water down from systems that can't handle all that water. So there is a little bit going on, but the majority of them are pretty basic and are allowing all that water to go directly into streams and lakes.
For our service learning project, we made a bioretention area. Bioretention areas are soil and plant-based stormwater management practices that filter runoff from developed sites by mimicking naturally vegetated systems. These naturally control hydrology through infiltration and evapotranspiration.
Yes, it could, and it wouldn't be so much on directly on the community. It would hold water back and provide some better looking landscapes with plants and the structures that we use. But the biggest thing would be affecting downstream water that goes into the Minnesota River. There's things in the water that run off the roads and the yards that are fertilizer, oil, antifreeze, things that we lose out of our cars. So it'd be a big benefit to the water quality downstream, and eventually to our groundwater that we drink every day.
Our area that we are making our bioretention area is next to the school playground. It is going to be about 8 by 8 foot. In this area, we will plant ferns, wild grasses, and flowers that will help filter out some of the water before going down the drain.
If everyone locally did it, we'd have that downstream impact. Our water quality would improve very much. And if everyone did it all over the world and had that ability to hold back the water on the land, instead of running right to the river, we'd have a lot less flooding issues, erosion, and things like that. Our streams and rivers, our water would be a lot cleaner.